Hello, beautiful people in our class. My name is Daisy.
My name's Tori! And I'm Brittany.
And today we're doing the exploding watermelon experiment. Yay!
For this experiment, you will need a watermelon, a whole bunch of rubber bands, and a bowl.
To make it even better, we decided to divide ourselves into two groups and make it a challenge. The two groups are myself and Daisy, and Brittany and Natalia, because Amanda couldn't be here with us today. So, what our challenge is today, as you know, our exploding watermelon, is we're going to put rubber bands on the watermelon to build up pressure and have it explode. The first group to have their watermelon explode wins!
First, we shall explain the science behind this. So, as we start stretching the rubber bands around the watermelon, they start to squeeze it, creating pressure from the outside and making the watermelon bulge.
Oh, hi! So, rubber bands are a great example of potential energy, which is energy that is stored up. When you stretch a rubber band, then let it go, it snaps back using its potential energy.
All the rubber bands around the watermelon are stretched out, ready to become kinetic energy, which is energy in motion. What will happen next? You're about to find out.
As we keep adding rubber bands, eventually the strength of the stretched rubber bands will force the watermelon to squeeze the top and bottom apart, creating a massive explosion.
I got off in my eye! On your mark, set, go! Oh gosh. This is the rubber band that was on the watermelon. We found it. When it popped, it went into a bowl. That's cool. Hilarious. Didi, hurry up and put rubber bands! Faster, faster, faster.
So you better be careful because it might play that way in my face.
The ball.
you liked it. Thanks for watching. And
If you liked it,
if you like the video, give it a shake.
Where are you now that I need you?
Hello, beautiful people.
For this experiment, you will need a watermelon, a bunch of rubber bands, and a bowl.
Go!
Do it again. To make it even better, we decided to make it into a challenge. We decided to make it into a challenge. We challenged ourselves.
But first,
Potential energy, which is energy that is stored up. When you stretch a rubber band, then let it go, it snaps back using its potential energy.
Is it over?
That's for sure. And I was on my knees when nobody else was praying.